Forget the fancy parts of Tokyo. Harajuku is totally different. Real, bold. It's a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and every corner you turn offers a new surprise. It's like a party for your senses, just waiting to happen. The sights, the sounds, the smells, they all come together in a vibrant symphony. This is where Tokyo's young people throw out the rules and make new ones with bright colors and fun stuff. Fashion here isn't just about clothes. It's a statement, a way of life. You feel it as soon as you get there. The energy is buzzing, it's exciting. The air is filled with laughter and chatter, making you feel alive. You're not just watching, you're joining in. Jump into the crowd. Every step you take, you become part of the living, breathing tapestry of Harajuku. Let the energy of Harajuku take you down Takeshita Street. This iconic street is more than just a location. It's an experience. This small street is the heart of Harajuku. It's where the pulse of the city beats the strongest. And right now it's beating super fast. The air feels electric. Every moment here is charged with excitement and possibility. The smell of yummy takoyaki mixes with the sweet smell of fresh crepes. It's a feast for your nose, making your mouth water. Music blasts from every store, like a mixed-up soundtrack to all the excitement. Each beat and melody adds to the vibrant atmosphere. You can't help but smile. This is Harajuku. It's a place where joy is contagious, and everyone is part of the celebration. It's easy to get lost here. The narrow alleys and hidden gems invite you to explore. And that's the whole point. Getting lost in Harajuku means finding yourself in the most unexpected and delightful ways. Takeshita Street in the daytime is like a giant rainbow of colors, sounds, and smells. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible, with every corner offering something new and exciting to discover. It's a super fun show. The energy here is infectious, and you can't help but get caught up in the excitement. Every store wants you to look at it. The displays are so vibrant and eye-catching. It's like each shop is competing to be the most memorable. Clothes racks are packed with crazy designs. From the latest trends to the most unique pieces, there's something for everyone. Platform shoes are super tall. These towering shoes are a staple here, adding a fun and quirky twist to any outfit. Gothic Lolita mixes with cute Kawaii style. The blend of dark and cute fashion is a unique sight, showcasing the diverse fashion culture. Old clothes hang next to the newest fashions. It's a fashion free-for-all, and everyone's invited. The mix of vintage and modern styles creates a unique shopping experience. Don't be shy. Try on that silly hat. It's all part of the fun, and you might just find your new favorite accessory. Haggle for a fun souvenir. The shop owners are friendly and open to a bit of bargaining, making the shopping experience even more enjoyable. This is your chance to try a new look. With so many styles to choose from, you can experiment and find something that truly expresses your personality. But save room for food. The street is lined with vendors offering a variety of delicious treats. Street food vendors line the street with tons of different things to eat. From sweet to savory, there's something to satisfy every craving. The smell of grilling meat makes your mouth water. The aroma alone is enough to draw you in and make you hungry. But don't leave without trying a crepe. These delicious treats are a must-try, and the perfect way to end your visit to Takeshita Street. Just when everything gets a little too crazy, you find it, an escape. Big, tall torii gates invite you away from the noise. Walk through, and you're in a whole different world. Meiji Shrine, a peaceful place in the middle of Harajuku's storm. The air is cool and quiet here. The smell of incense is strong. It's the opposite of the busy Takeshita Street, and you need it. Take a breath. Think for a minute. Listen to the birds. Feel the gravel under your feet. This is a place to remember who you are, to find balance. You'll have to go back to the excitement eventually, but for now, just relax. When it gets dark, Harajuku changes completely. The transformation is almost magical, as if the entire area puts on a new face for the night. The neon signs light up, making the street glow with vibrant colors. It's like the city is alive, pulsating with energy and excitement. The energy gets even bigger. The crowds get bigger. The music gets louder. People from all walks of life come together, creating a lively and dynamic atmosphere. It's a different kind of magic. The kind that makes you feel like anything is possible, that the night holds endless possibilities. This is Harajuku at night, a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and every corner has a story to tell. And it's just getting started. The night is young and there's so much more to explore and experience. You go into a small izakaya because you smell grilled yakitori. The aroma is irresistible, drawing you in like a magnet. Inside, the air is smoky and full of laughter. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, a perfect escape from the bustling streets outside. Businessmen drink beer after a long day at work. They unwind, sharing stories and laughter, creating a sense of camaraderie. You order some skewers and a cold asahi. The flavors are rich and satisfying, a perfect complement to the lively atmosphere. It's the perfect end to a perfect day. Harajuku never sleeps. The night continues to buzz with activity, promising new adventures. It's a place where you can be yourself, no matter who you are. A melting pot of cultures and personalities, where everyone is welcome. It's a mix of different cultures, a party for being different and always inspiring. The diversity is what makes Harajuku so unique and vibrant. It's a place that you remember long after you leave. The memories you make here are unforgettable, etched in your mind forever. And that's what makes it so special. Harajuku at night is not just a place, it's an experience, a feeling that stays with you.